Hello guys, here is another video on the Lasko 9-inch oscillating table fan model 2009 from the early 2000s after cleaning and servicing. So here it is after it got cleaned out very well and it had the bearings oiled up. So pretty much this video is a remake, since one of you guys in the last video made me aware that there were some problems with the audio, and it turns out that the audio was muted completely upon editing, and I didn't even realize that, so apologies for that. So here is the new video, of course. Now, this one has been decently cleaned out well. It still has the grease on the front grill and on the rear grill, if I recall correctly. This one I think was used in the kitchen, since that is where most of the moisturized dust comes from. It is in overall good condition, somewhat, except that the plastic is starting to show signs of wear. This was probably in front of a window as well. I'm still surprised that the blade is not showing signs of it whatsoever. Now this fan does perform a bit better now that all that dust is cleaned out. I think it would perform a lot better had it had the metal grills and the older blade design still. Now, what is strange about this fan is that it is a bit smaller in size. The blade diameter, I think, measures up to 8¼ inches. In fact, let's see that again. Yeah, this is let's see. Let's turn this on real quick. And it's not plugged in. Alright, let's see. Just to get an idea real quick. Yeah, that is about 8½ inches in diameter. So it is a bit smaller to the other one, the 2154. And just to insert a picture of those two fans side by side, you'll pretty much see the massive size difference between these two, despite being both labeled as 9-inch fans. Now, the base of the 2154 is definitely taller to this one. So there's that. Couldn't get these splotches. Apparently this is also part of that. The plastic started to wear down as well. So nothing can really be done about that. But anyways, let's turn this on. So here is high speed. But that is actually quite decently powerful. Alright, so look at that. Doesn't really seem to be that off clock, though it does vibrate a lot. And low. Yeah, not bad. Though I already have an idea that the airflow performance will decrease once the dust kicks in, as it is pretty much common with these plastic grills. Now to show the oscillations. this fan really creaks a lot when it's oscillating. Especially more this side. So, I kind of tend to believe that this wire here is pretty much very compressed with this piece of plastic that is pretty much sitting behind of. And other than that, it's probably the bottom of this metal piece of the motor housing as well. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Alright, that's a bit more loose now. Yeah, it's pretty much the wire. And another thing, it seems to slow down, and that's pretty much an issue on a lot of these 9-inch fans. And it seems to not have been remediated ever since, up until its discontinuation, of course. Which is unfortunate, because I mean, these are decent performing fans, even though of course they're cheaper. Alright, let's turn this off now. And of course the spin down timing is decent. So there it is. That is the Lasko 9-inch oscillating table fan, model 2009 from the early 2000s after cleaning and servicing.